Okay, Boxing Day 2025. You know what Boxing Day is, isn't it? After Christmas. And I hear the noise of motorcycles. And in Donggongon, the only prettiest Christmas decoration is the Sabah Credit Building. Every year they've been doing this better and better. They got the prettiest one this year. They had a crib there. Yes, the crib is still there. Let's zoom at the crib. The crib is below the Christmas tree. They use a photo. People can still take a photograph there. And in front of the building, they had a Christmas tree. But I didn't hear anybody did a Christmas caroling below the tree. The Christmas caroling they had competition was on the stage somewhere in the car park before Christmas. But now the light remains until perhaps the end of the year. So Donggongon never get decorated by the council or anybody except by the Sabah Credit. And a few more nights for you guys to go and take family photographs of yourself in the evening before they will take this down for the next Chinese New Year, I believe. Okay guys, this is the only pretty sights of Donggongon this year. Bye.